Hello to all my dear kids, my all class 10th boards 2026 warriors. Sorry, I apologize due to some technical problem. Successful session for you all. Hi Mukul, hi, how are you, man? Hi to everyone, hello. Am I audible to you all, my dear kids? Give me thumbs up. If everything is fixed and my voice is clearly reaching to you and I'm visible to you, give me thumbs up. Okay, so sir, hello my dear lovely kids. So it happens because this is all about technology and everything. So due to some technical glitch, some problem is there, but yeah, fortunately everything is fixed now, and I hope you all are there. Setup, wow, Subhash, my dear kids, don't go to the setup and everything. It happens because this is all about technology. So technology, sometimes technology not favors you every time. Sometimes it happens, my dear kids. So Maulik Jain, hi. Subhash, hi, how are you, man? So let's begin this session of surface areas and volume. So best thing about this GOAT series is we are providing you complete chapter and with mind map, and very classy mind map. With the help of that mind map, you can revise any mathematics chapter just in 10 to 15 minutes. That is very helpful for your board exam 2026. Hi sir, hi. Shinaz, sorry, I apologize. My apology, my dear kids. I apologize for delay, slight delay, due to some technical problem, guys. Okay, so let's move to the session. So my dear champions, in this live session we'll be talking about surface area and volume. I have picked up very classy and very quality questions for you all, including PYQs, competency based questions, and very quality questions. And okay, so again, sorry, my kids, my lovely kids. So some technical problem is there, but I hope now the problem is fixed. My technical team is here. Okay, so this is all about mind map, surface area and volume. So look at this mind map. This is cube. So in cube you are having two formulas. Surface area, if side is A, let's say if side is A, side length is A, so the total surface area of cube is 6A square and the volume is A cube. And again, lateral surface area, lateral surface area, the surface area of only walls, excluding top and bottom. So if we exclude one square and bottom one square, so this will be 4A square. Similarly, cylinder, this is cuboid, and in cuboid, to find out the diagonal, we can use this formula, under root L square plus B square plus square. Now if talk about sphere, the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, r is nothing, r is the radius of the sphere, and the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, if we talk about cone, so in cone, this is called slant height, which is L basically, and this is called complete H, and this is the radius r. So there are three dimensions: L, which is slant height, H is the height, vertical height, and r is the radius. Okay, so the curved surface area is pi rl, pi r into L. L means slant height. Total surface area is pi rl plus pi r square. Pi rl plus, because pi rl will give you the curved surface area, and pi r square is the area of circle. So addition, both pi rl plus pi r square will give you the complete surface area of cone. And if we talk about volume, volume is one third of pi r square H. Hemisphere is the half of sphere. Hemi means half, and sphere, so means the half portion of sphere is called hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. The volume is exactly half of sphere. So half, 4 by 3 pi r square, pi r cube is volume of sphere, so 2 by 3 pi r cube will be the volume of hemisphere, because this is the half. One very important relation of HR and L, HR and L in cone is L square is basically equals to H square plus R square. Means if we draw a cone here, let's say this is cone here, this is H, this is L, and this is R. Okay, so L square, this slant height, the square of L square is equals to H square plus R square. So if you know any two value, you can find any third one. Is it clear? So I'm deleting each and everything so that you can take screenshot of this for your future reference. Okay, moving to next question, question number 1. Sir, hello, whatever, but you are not Archie. Hi, Thakur. Yeah, audible. Very good, thank you. So, okay. So Sorry, you all are my dear lovely kids. I'm deeply connected with you, and we are all teachers here are concerned about your preparation. So see, this is all about technology. So sometimes it happens. So don't worry. But the condition is that, the question is that, if you are here, stay here till the last question, because this live session will be very productive for you all, very beneficial for you all, because I picked up very quality questions for you all, everyone. Okay. So moving to question number 1 of this session. So look at the question number 1. Question number 1. Yeah. Who can give me answer of this question? Look at the question. Volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 125:27. The ratio of their surface areas will be what? So basically, volume of two spheres are given, which is in the ratio 125:27. So you know, for first sphere, I can write 4/3 pi r cube, this volume of two spheres. So I'm taking the radius of first sphere as capital R, divided by 4/3 pi, there is one more sphere, so a small r cube, is it equal to 125/27. Now look, 4/3 cancelled, pi cancelled, so r by r whole cube, and this 125/27 can also be written as 5/3 cube. Is it clear? 5 cube is 125 and 3 cube is 27. Is it clear? So r by r whole cube is equals to 5/3. So power is same. So r by r will be equal to 5/3. So now we have to find out the ratio of the surface areas. So you know guys, surface area is basically 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square. So this 4 pi cancelled. So we are getting r by r whole square. So r by r is 5/3. So 5/3 whole square will be 25/9. So the answer is 25:9. Option number B is correct answer. Yes. No, my dear, surface area is 4 pi r square, because we are talking about a sphere. Is it clear? So B is, you are writing 2 pi r square. Who is there? 2 pi r square. No. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square is the surface area of hemisphere, because that is the half portion of sphere. So 25:9 is the answer. Moving to question number 2. Look at this question here. Question number 2. Question number 2. Try this question, my dear. I'm looking at your chat section. I'm reading. Who can give me answer of this question? Yes, RK Jain. Raksha Jain. Hi, Raksha. Yes, your answer is correct. Raksha, B is correct answer. Very good. Now try this question. Question number 2. It's look very lengthy question, but you have to be prepared for such question also, because this is all about your board exam. So we cannot skip lengthy question as well. If you are doing short questions, small questions in very less time, so you have to prepare for such questions also. So these are 100 balls. Okay, Tilak is writing B option for previous question. Okay, Tilak, yeah, Tilak correct. B is correct answer. Very good. Now try this question. This is for you. Subhash is writing 100 balls. Yes, Subhash, just wait a little while. We'll do this question all together. You might be right, you might be wrong. So just wait. Okay, so look at the question. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. So what you need to do here, first draw the diagram. Read the question carefully and draw the diagram. So there is a cone which is in inverted form. Is it clear? So this is a cone here. This is in inverted form. Inverted form. Okay, so there is a cone in inverted form. Okay, now a vessel in the form of an inverted cone, its height is 8 centimeter, means the height is 8 centimeter. Very good. And radius, which is open, and the radius is 5 centimeter. Very good. 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. Means water is completely filled till here. This is called brim. So water is filled in this cone. Okay, now It is filled. Okay. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. So when we put a certain number of lead shot in this, I don't know the number of lead shot, how many spherical lead shot is put in this water. I don't know. The number is not confirmed. So we can let in. And all the lead shots, lead shots are of a spherical shape. And when we put certain number of lead shot inside the water flows out. The water flows out. And how much water flows out? The water flows out is 1/4 of the water flows out. 1/4 of the total volume of cone. Is it clear? So what is the total volume of this cone? We can write here, volume of cone is basically 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. So we have values 1/3, keep pi as it is. R is 5, so 5 square will be 25, and h is what? 8. So can we write here 25 into 8 will be 40, 04, and this 25, 40, 0, and this is 200. So 200 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Is it clear? So this is the total volume of cone. Now when we put certain number of lead shot, a spherical lead shot in the cone, 1/4 of the water is flown out. 1/4. So amount of water flown out is 1/4 of this volume, which is 200 pi by 3. So 4 will cancel this, 50. So the result is 50 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Because we are talking about still volume. Amount of water means volume. So centimeter cube will be there. Now my dear champion, just imagine the volume of water displaced by the certain number of lead shot will be equal to the total volume of water flown out. So let's assume n number of lead shot have put inside the water. So n into volume of spherical lead shot will be equal to this. This is the total volume of water displaced by the lead shot. So 50 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Now n into what is the volume of a sphere? The volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So we can write here 4/3 pi. R is what? 0.25. So 0.5 cube. 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 50 pi by 3. Now can we solve this? So this 3 is cancelled by this 3. This pi is cancelled by this pi. So n into 4 into 0.125, 0.5 whole cube will be 0.125. Is it clear? Which is equals to 50. So can I write here n equals to 50 divided by 4 into 0.125. Now solve this. So we can solve this easily. So what will be the result? This is 50 and multiply this here. This. So 0.25 into 5 will be 5, 4, 28. So this will be 0.5. So by removing this digit, 5 will be there. So this is 100. So n is basically 100. N is 100. Yes, volume of n lead shot in equal to, yes, of course, Subhash, exactly. 100. Raksha Jain answered 100. Shinjak is also answered 100. Very good, my dear champions. You all are doing great job. Yes, 100 is the correct answer. So the amount of water displaced will be equal to the total volume of the lead shots. And I don't know the number of lead shots. So look, n into volume of a spherical lead shot is equal to the amount of water displaced, which I've already we calculated. So by equating both the information, n is equals to 100. Now moving to question number 3rd. Very good. Now moving to question number 3rd. Now try this question, guys. Question number 3rd. Yes, Subhash, try this. Yeah, Subhash, very good. Subhash, you're doing great job, my buddy. Superb. Yeah, 94. I don't know your name. 94. What he's writing. Don't focus on such statement, my dear. Focus on your board exam. Akshi, y2 multiply. I don't know what you are writing, Akshi. Hi. Okay. Now do this question. The height and base radius of a cone each is increased by 50%. Very good. So let's say there is a cone. Okay. And this is the radius and this is the height. Is it clear? This is original cone. And after increasing the radius and height both by 50%. 50% means what? Half. So the new height will be this new height and this new radius will be what? H plus 50% of previous one. So 50% of previous means what? 50 by 100, this 2, so h by 2. So h plus h by 2. Getting my point? And which is equals to 3h by 2. Similarly, radius is also increased by 50%. So the new radius will be what? So so this is new radius will be r plus r by 2. So this is 3r by 2. Simple. This is older height, and this is new height, and this is new height after increment. Now, determine the ratio between the volume of the given cone and the new cone. Very good. So this is the volume of this original cone, given cone 1 by 3 pi r square h divided by 1 by 3 pi r square. This r, the new r, because ratio, we are finding the ratio of the given cone and the new cone. So the new cone will go in denominator position. So 3r by 2 whole square, and into h is what? 3h by 2. This is the way. So 1 by 3 pi cancelled. Now look, we are getting here r square h, and this 3r square will be what? 9r square, and this 3h will remain as it is, and 2 into 4 will multiply to this. Yeah, 2 to 4, sorry, 8 will be there, because this is a square. 2 to square, 2 to 4, and 4 into 2 will be 8. So 8 will go in upward direction. So this r square is cancelled, this and this h is cancelled with this. So 8 divided by what we are getting here, 9 into 3, 9 into 3. So 8 divided by 27. So the answer is 8 ratio 27. This is basically 9, my dear kids. 8 ratio 27 is correct answer. Sir, 9th के लिए कुछ करो. Who is answered 8? Who is the? Rakshak, Raksha Jain. Very good, Raksha. Superb. Where is Subhash? Aryan. Subhash is there. Yeah, answered Subhash. So Aryan Banjar sir, 9th के लिए कुछ. So Aryan, don't worry. We are already planning. We are already, planning and plotting for 9th standard also. So don't worry. Okay. Subhash. Yeah, Subhash, A is correct answer, 8 ratio 27. I hope you guys are getting it. You guys are enjoying. Very good. Moving to question number 4. Now try this question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Try this question, my dear champion. Question number 4. Question number 4. This is, easy question but conceptual question. If you guys are able to get the language of this question, I think there is nothing special, there is nothing challenging. Simple. So look the question. A solid cube. What you need to do, my dear champion, whenever you are doing questions from surface area and volume, make sure to draw the diagram first. And same theory is applicable in application of trigonometry also. When we do questions from application of trigonometry, there is most important thing is to draw the diagram. And once you draw the diagram successfully, the rest is mathematical calculation there. Is it clear? Same is here also. So a solid cube is cut into 2 cuboids. Very good. So let's say there is a solid cube. This is the solid cube here. Okay. This is all about solid cube here. Okay. Now, A solid cube is cut into two cuboids of equal volume. So we have to cut this cube from the middle, exact center. So I'm cutting this way. So look, my dear champion, one cuboid is here, this cuboid, and one cuboid. Let me show you with red color. So this is a cuboid here, okay, and another cuboid is of white color. Okay, now look, find the ratio of the total surface area of the given cube. Let's say, assume this is A, so this will also be A, and this will also be A. You know, in cube, every dimension remain equal to each other. Length, breadth and height, everything remain equal to each other. But in cuboid, if we talk about cuboid, it has become A by 2. And here also it has become A by 2 because this line is the center. This line is the center. So first find out the ratio of total surface area of cube. So what will be the total surface? Someone is writing answer 3 ratio to surface area of 2 cuboid is more than larger one. I don't know what you're writing, Subhash. I want answer only. 1 by 2a cube is the volume. Okay, so do this question. So find the total surface area of cube first. So total surface area of cube. What is the formula? 6a square. So this is the total surface area. Now find out the total surface area of cuboid. Find the ratio of the total surface area of given cube and that of one of the cuboid. So there are 2 cuboids, but we have to take only one cuboid. So the total surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid. What is the formula, my dear champion? The formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula. But one interesting thing, one dimension of cuboid has become A by 2 and this also A by 2. So consider L has become A by 2, L is A by 2. So we can write here, L is what? A by 2 and breadth will be A plus B is A, H is A plus H is again A, but again L is A by 2. Because we have already cutted this cube in 2 equal parts. So the length of one cuboid will be A by 2, A by 2. Okay, now solve this. So 2 into A will be A square by 2 plus A square by 1 plus A into A will be A square by 2. Can we take LCM, guys? So we can take LCM here. So the LCM will be 2. So this will be A square, this will be 2A square and this will be A square. This 2 is cancelled with this 2. So A square, 2A square, A square will be 4A square. I hope you are getting this point. 2 square, A square, 4A square. Now ratio. So the ratio will be what? 6A square divided by 4A square. A square cancelled. So 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. So 3 ratio 2 is answer. Yes. Superb. Yes, Subhash. 2A square. 3 ratio 2 is correct answer, Subhash. Yarakshak also answered well in the bracket. What you are writing? Okay, I hope you are getting this point. So this is all about. This is logical question. I can mark here a star. Important question. You know, in majority of student, in 100 number of student, only 15 and 20 will be able to do this question successfully. Because this question is a bit confusing. Moving to question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Read this question, my dear. Yeah, good question. This is basically your board level question. Board level question. Okay, for your board 2026. Yes, for your boards 2026. Okay, look at the question. A rectangular metal block has length 15 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. From this block, a circular hole of diameter 7 centimeter is drilled out. Okay, so let me show you with diagram. So there is a cuboid. Basically, if length is there, breadth is there and height is there. So it indicates that we are talking about cuboid simply. Length is given, breadth is given and height is given. So this is cuboid. So basically there is a cuboid. There is a cuboid. This. Okay, my dear champion. And from this block, this is metallic block. This is solid metallic cuboid. Solid metallic. And we are drilling out from this block a circular hole. Circular hole. Very good. This circular hole. Let me show you with another color. I'm using here red color. This is hole here. Circular hole is drilled out. So circular hole will be at the top and will be at the bottom both. So this is circular hole. This is okay inside the metallic block. And circular hole of diameter. The diameter is of 7 centimeter. And if the diameter is 7 centimeter, the radius will be 3.5 centimeter. Simple. Now, find the volume of the remaining solid. Don't worry, my dear champion. The length of this cuboid is 15 centimeter. Breadth is 10 centimeter. And my dear champion, height is of what? Height is of 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay. So what will be the volume of remaining solid? Nothing. To find the volume, subtract the volume of this cylinder. You know, if we drill the this metallic block, so there will be a cylinder. We are holding from this top till the bottom. So there will be the cylinder. Cylindrical shape hole will be there. So what will be the volume? Volume of remaining solid. Volume of remaining solid will be what? Volume of complete metallic block, metal block, complete metal block minus volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, yes, because the hole will be of cylindrical in shape. This is basically cylinder. Yes, this is cylinder here. This, is it clear? So volume of metal block minus volume of cylinder. Now use the formula. Formula, you should have the formula. Without formula, you cannot solve the question of surface area and volume. So volume of metal block, this is cuboid. So LBH minus volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Pi r square h. Is it clear? Now look, what is here? L is what? 15. Breadth is what? Breadth, this 10 centimeter. And height is what? Height is 5 centimeter. Minus pi r square h. Pi is what? Pi is 22 by 7. And radius is what? Diameter is 7, so the radius will be 7 by 2. And here is a square, so we can write twice. 7 by 2, 7 by 2. And into height. Height is what? Height is 5 centimeter. The height of cylinder cuboid is the height of cylinder. Simple. So this is 5. The height of cuboid will be similar to the height of cylinder. Okay. Now solve this. 7 is cancelled 7. This 2 is cancelled this 11. So we are getting here 15 into 50. This 57. 15 into 5 is 75. 75 into 10 will be 750. Minus, look here, this 17, 7 into 5, 7 5 is 35 and 35 by 2, which is 17.5. 17.5. Is it clear? This 7 is cancelled with this 7 and 11 is also here. So instead of writing, you can write 11. So 7 into this 35 and 35 into 11. So we can directly write, we can directly solve this. Instead of making this calculation very complex, we can directly solve this. So look, my dear, 11 into 7, 77 and 77 into 5 divided by 2. So the result will be volume will be equal to 750 minus this. What will be this? this 5 by 2, 77 into 5 by 2 is 2.5. So 77 into this 5 by 2 can also be written as 2.5. Now solve this. 750 minus 77 into 2.5 is 75, 35, 35, 3, 38, 7 to 14, 1 and 15. So 5, 2, 9 and 1. Is it clear? And this 192.5. So 750 minus 192.5 will be 5. This is 9, 7. This is 4, 9 and this is 6, 5. 7.5 centimeter cube. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. 557. Who? Oh, wow. Rakshak. Rakshak is giving answer 557.5. Yes. Yes, Malik. Yeah. Yes. Sir, आप 1 by यार ये what is this 1 by cos is 6 यार what you're writing guys Rajput my dear, instead of writing such thing focus on your question. Okay, sir, h common height will remain same as cuboid. Yes, of course. So you can follow any method. The answer should be correct. So 557.5. Okay. So this is all about volume. This is the now come to the total surface area. This is logical thing. Now we have to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. My dear champion, look. When we drilled out this cylinder, 2 cone is excluded. 2 cone is excluded. From total cuboid, a 2 circle is excluded, 2 circle is excluded, and the boundary of cylinder is also included. So how we can find the surface area of remaining solid? The total surface area of cuboid plus curved surface area of the circle, because curved surface area of the cylinder, because cylinder is there and we can see the wall of the cylinder. Is it clear? So the curved surface area of cylinder will be included, but minus 2 circles, because this circle and this circle is cutted out from the cuboid. So this is all about. Raksha, you're my okay. Your name is Raksha. Okay, Raksha. So this is all about. So observation should be correct. Sir, is the surface area of solid is. Let's do this question. So what will be the total surface area of remaining solid? This was the first question. Okay. Now I'm doing the second part. So surface area of remaining solid. We can write here the formula. Total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. Okay, plus curved surface area of cylinder, minus 2 into this circle, because both circles are there and we have already excluded the circle. We have cutted the metal piece from that, so this metal piece has reduced. So 2 into pi r square. Now write the formula. Total surface area of cuboid is what? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL plus curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH minus this is 2 pi r square. Is it clear? Now 2 into L is what? L is 15. B is what? B is what? 10 plus B 10 into H is what? 5 plus H is what? 5 and L is what? 15. And this, can we take 2 pi r common here? Yes, we can take 2 pi r common, because this both formulas are linked with cylinder, so we can take 2 pi r as common. So we are getting here H minus r. 1 H is of this formula and r will be there. I am taking 2 pi r common here. Is it clear? Now solve this question. So 2 into 15 into 10 is 150 plus 10 into 5 is 50. 15 into 5 is 75 plus, can we solve this? 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is what? Diameter is 7. So the radius will be 7 by 2. And this is h. H is what? 5. 5 minus r is what? R. This radius 7 by 2. So 5 minus 7 by 2. Now solve this. So 2 cancelled here. 7 is cancelled with 7. So we are getting here this. So 150 into 50. 150 plus 50 will be 200. And 200, 275. 275. Plus 22 is remaining here. Left here. And this 5 to 10. I'm taking LCM. 5 to 10. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 by 2. Is it clear? So this is cancelled here. 11. Okay. So 2 into 275 will be what? 520. 520. 10. 175. Okay. 50. And we are getting here 5. 550. Look this, my dear champions. 275. 275 into this 2. So 5 to 10, 0. Carry 1. 7 to 14. 14 and 1, 5. Carry 1. 2 to 4. 2 to 4 and 5. Plus this. So we are getting here 583 centimeter square. 583 centimeter square. Once more, hey sir, do you remember me, Umer? Hi, how are you, Umer? Sir, we can only count the surface area of cylinder. Yes, Subhash. Because see, if I ask you, after drilling the cylinder, look at look at the new geometrical shape. So when we observe the new geometrical shape after drilling the cylinder, after drilling it, so you will be able to see the curved surface area of cylinder. So whatever you can see, that will be included. So there will be curved surface area of cylinder also. So that is the reason why we are considering curved surface area of cylinder. But we are subtracting the circle because we have already drilled this portion. No metallic surface is here left. So we are excluding the circle, but we are including the curved surface area. Hi Vedant, how are you Vedant? Repeat sir. Okay, don't worry Vedant, I'll do for you. Okay, see Vedant, what we did here, see there is a metallic cuboidal block and we are drilling inside the cuboidal block, and if you drill the cuboidal block, there will be a cylinder, and cylinder means what? The top surface will be circular shape and the bottom surface will be having circular shape, and inside that circular shape there will be a cylinder. So we are calculating here the surface area of remaining solid. So if you can observe it, when you drill cylinder inside a cuboidal block, there will be the curved surface area of cylinder, and we have excluded the circular top and circular bottom. So to find the area of remaining solid, we are calculating total surface area of cuboid. We are considering this whole plus curved surface area of cylinder, because cylinder is there, minus 2 into pi r square. Why 2 into pi r square? Because one circle is here and one circle is here. Because whenever you drill inside any block, the drill is basically circular in shape. So that is why we are excluding that circle. This is all about. And the rest work is calculation, basic mathematical calculation. If your mathematical calculation is strong, your answer will be in your hand. Yes. All right. Subhash, is it clear to you, my dear champion? And Vedant Avasti, is it clear to you, Vedant, now? I hope your doubt is clear. Should I move ahead to the next question, my dear? Give me thumbs up. If you guys are there and if you are enjoying there, give me thumbs up so that I can move forward to the next question. And my dear kids, I have picked up very quality questions for you. So stay in this live session till the end, till the question number 15. There are still, quality questions are left. So we'll be doing each and every question here today in this live session. Vedansh, yeah, clear, very good. Give me thumbs up, my dear kids, everyone. So many students are in this live session, so give me thumbs up, my dear champion. Okay, give me thumbs up, I'm waiting for you. Hi Kuldeep, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform, my dear kids. Clear sir, superb. Raksha. Okay, thank you Subhash. Moving to question number 6. Wow, good question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Kuldeep, thank you Kuldeep for giving me thumbs up. Yeah, Raksha, what you are sending? Oh my God, it's so horrible. Don't send this. Okay. So a building is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a hemispherical dome. What I have suggested you guys, after reading the statement, draw the diagram. First task is this: draw the diagram neat and clean. So there is a cylindrical building, very good. So let's say there is a cylindrical building here. Okay, surmounted by a hemispherical dome. Surmounting means we are putting a hemispherical dome here this way. Okay, and the base diameter of the dome is equal to, so let's assume the radius is r, so the radius will be here also r. Okay, the radius is r. Radius of cylinder and radius of hemisphere both will remain same. Okay, the base diameter of the dome is equal to the 2/3 of the total height. Very good. So total height from here, so let's assume the total height is small h, and the height of cylinder is, assume, capital H. So this is the height of cylinder, and this is the total height of the solid, of the building with the dome and cylinder. Okay, now read this statement. The base diameter. What is diameter? What is diameter? Twice of radius, double of radius. So according to question ATQ, according to question, the base diameter of the dome is equal to, so the diameter is what? 2r, because radius is r, so the diameter will be 2r. The base diameter of the radius is 2/3 of the total height. 2/3 of total height. So total height we have considered small h. Now can we cancel this 2 by 2? So small r is equal to h by 3. Mark this as 1, because we'll require this family r equals to h by 3 in this solution. Now find the height of the building. Very good. We have to find out the height of the building, means small h. If it contains 67 whole 1 by 21 meter cube air. Oh, very good. So volume of this whole building, the volume of this whole building is given here. How much air is occupied inside this? So volume of whole building is given here. And how much is the volume? This is 67 whole. So can we open this? 67 into 21 will be 1407 plus 1, 1408 divided by 21 meter cube. This is the total volume of this building, because this is already given to you here. So this is the total volume of the building. So I have changed. You know how? 67 into 21. 67 whole 1 by 21 can also be written as 67 into 21 plus 1 divided by 21. So you will get this 1408 divided by 21 centimeter cube, because we are writing for volume. Unit is very important. Unit plays very important role, my dear champion. Is it clear? Now, where are you? Kuldeep, 1/3 should be the radius. We have to find h from the radius putting. Yes, of course, Raksha. Okay, now do. So this wall. Now what is the volume? How this total building is constructed? The whole building is constructed with the help of cylindrical structure and the hemispherical dome. So total volume of whole building is basically equal to what? Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere, volume of hemispherical dome. So we can directly write hemisphere. Now my dear champion, this volume of whole building we have already calculated, so we can put here 1408 divided by 21 is equal to volume of cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and h is the capital H, the height of cylinder, plus volume of hemisphere. You know hemisphere? The volume of hemisphere is 1 by 3 pi r square pi r, see this hemisphere, so volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube basically. So I consider that as cone. So 2 by 3 pi r cube, because we are dealing with hemisphere. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. Is it clear? Now the most important thing is to find this capital H. Now do one thing, take pi common, pi will be common here, and r square will be common, because the radius of cylinder and radius of hemisphere both are same. So pi r square we can take common. Okay, so only capital H is there, plus this pi r square, this 2 by 3 will be there, because we have already taken pi r square, and 1 r will be there. I hope you are getting the point. Pi r square H, and we have taken pi r square common, so 2 by 3 will be there, and 1 radius will be there. Clear? Now look at this capital H. Where is capital H? This is capital H, and this is small h, complete height. So how we can find the capital H? Basically the capital H will be a small h minus this, and this is what, my dear? Radius of hemisphere, because this is the radius. So the capital H will be small h minus radius. Is it clear? And the capital H is h minus r is already h by 3. So we can write h by 3. So the capital H will be 3h minus h, 2h by 3. 2h by 3. Okay, so this 1408 divided by 21 is equal to pi r square. So pi can be written as 22 by 7, and radius r is what? R is basically h by 3. So this is r square, so h by 3 whole square, and under bracket h, capital H, and capital H is what? 2h by 3. So this can be written as 2h by 3 plus 2 by 3 into r is there. R is what? H by 3. H by 3. So I have converted each and every value in terms of small h. Why? Because we want to calculate the total height, find the height of the building. This is the question, and that's why I have converted each and every value in the form of small h. Now solve this. So keep it as it is. This by 21 is equal to 22 by 7, and this is h square divided by 3 square is 9, and here 2h by 3 plus 2h by 3 is 9. Now what we can do here, 22h square divided by 9 into 7, and can we take common here, LCM here? So LCM of 9 and 3 will be 9. 3 3 is 9, so 3 2 is 6h plus 9 1 is 2h, and divided by 22 into h square into 6h plus 2h. 6h plus 2h will be 8h divided by 9 into 7. So anything cancelling? Nothing is cancelling here. So what we have to do? We have to find out h cube. So can we send these numeric value to the right hand side, because we want to calculate the value of small h. So we have to separate the small h alone. So now we can write one thing here, 1408 into 9 9 is 81 into this 7 will go there, divided by 21 into this 22 into 8. 22 into 8 will go in division form, h square into h will be h cube. Now cancel whatever you can cancel. Now cancel every value. So now look, my dear champion, this 7 will cancel this by 3. 7 3 is 21, and this 3 will cancel this. 3 2 is 6, and 2 1 3 7 is 27. Is it clear? Now this 8 will cancel this whole. So can we check here? 4 2 is 8, and this 704. 704 is there. Is it clear? Now 4 2 is 8, and 704 2 is 14. Now again cancel. 2 2 is 4, and this 3 2 is 2 2 is 4, and 35 2. 352. Okay, Now can we cancel this to whole? 7 and 6. Now this will cancel this 22 by complete 8. And 27 into 8 will be what? 27 8 will be 216, which equals to h cube. 216. 27 into 8. 8 7 ja 56 when 8 so 216. So h cube is 216. So can we write here h cube equals to 216 can be written as this 6 cube. Yes, h cube can be written as 6. 6 is a 36 and 36 into 3 will be this. Look, 216. So basically h is 6 centimeter. Answer. So this is all about calculation. Ultimately 21 common both sides in denominator. I don't know what you are writing, Subhash. I cannot find your point here. So basically h is equals to 20. See, this question is having lengthy calculation, but we have to do at anyhow because this is all about matter of marks. So we cannot skip the lengthy calculation. You have to do it anyhow. Okay. Okay, I hope you are getting the point. So 6 centimeter is the answer. 6 centimeter is the answer here. This is the answer. 6 centimeter is the height of the complete building. Now moving to next question. Question number 7. Yes, my dear champion, all class 10th warriors. Now try this question. This question is for you. Do this question. This question is good. Subhas, see, in such type of question, you cannot do any shortcut calculation. Because doing shortcut calculation, might produce some error. So make sure while doing such calculation, make sure to do the calculation slowly and accurately, because accuracy also matters. See, if you followed everything initially right, everything is correct, and if you unfortunately make some mistake here, you cannot get the marks, you cannot get the result. So despite of doing any shortcut and any shortcut method while doing calculation, division, multiplication, make sure to do calculation in a very easy manner so that you can get good result, because you did well, previous thing is correct. So unfortunately making mistake will be very bad for you guys. So okay, I hope you are getting the point. Okay, now moving to next question. Question number 7. Try this question. Yeah, see my dear, do small calculation, but whenever required, like in trigonometry, you can do any question like of ratio type question, trigonometric ratio, you can do by shortcut method. You can just get the result just in 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 10 seconds only. But in surface and volume, make sure to do calculations. Okay. Raksha, I don't know what happened with you. The cube of 216 is 6, beta. 6 centimeter is correct. Moving to question number 7. Now try this question. I want to see the name of the student who can do this question correctly. Question number 7. Now try this question, my dear champion. I want to see the name of that student who can give me the correct answer of this question. It looks very small question, but it required, calculation, mathematical calculation there. So try this question, my dear champions. My all 10th warriors. Okay, try this question. Question number 7. The radius and height of a cone are in the ratio 4:3. The area of base is given to you. Find the area of curved surface. Yes, find the area of curved surface. Logical question, very conceptual question, my dear champions. Try this question. What we can do? The radius and height of a cone are in the ratio 4:3. Very good. What is given here? The radius and height of a cone, so R by H, is equal to 4:3. This is given to you. Is it clear? Very good. The area of the base of a cone, guys, in cone, if this is cone here and the radius is R, so what is the area of base? The base is circular in shape. So the area of base is basically pi r square. This is the circle here. This is the circle here. So area of base is pi r square. So pi r square is given to you 154. So pi r square is 154. Can we write pi as 22 by 7 into r square equals to 154. So r square will be what? This 154 into 7, 154 into 7 divided by 22. So 22 will cancel this 154 by 7 times. 22 into 7 is 154. Okay, and the r square is what? 7 into 7 will be 7 square. So r is 7 centimeter. And if you got the value of r, you can find h also, because the ratio is given here. So r is what? 7 by h is 4 by 3. So can we cross multiply here, or directly you can write h will be equal to what? 7 into 3 divided by 4. So h is equal to 7 into 3 is 21 divided by 4. So 21 divided by 4 will be 4 5 ja 20.0 and 10 4 2 ja 8 20 4 2 ja 8 20 5.25 centimeter. This is h is 5.25 centimeter. Who answered 192.5? Wow, Raksha is there. H is 5.25, sir. Yes, Subhash. And yes, we have to find out L first. No, do. You have H. But the question is to find out the curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone. And you know curved surface area of cone is what? This is H, L, and this is R. You know curved surface area of cone is what? Pi r L. So to calculate the curved surface area, we need to find the L first. Without L, we cannot find the curved surface area. And L is what? L is under root h square plus r square. So you have L, h is what? 5.25. So we can, instead of writing 5.25, we can directly write 21 by 4 square. Plus this r square. R is what? 7. 7 square will be 49. So when we will be solving this, solve this. What is L here? What is L here, my dear? If you will solve this, if you will do the mathematical calculation, L is basically 8.75 centimeters. Okay, you can find it by your own. So now 3.14 is there, pi, r is what? 7 is there, and L is what? L is 8.75. Now multiply this. So 7, 4, 11, 98, 8, 9, 21.89, okay, into 8.75. Now solve this. Multiply these two numbers. 21.89, 20 pi r. Yes, of course, Subhash. So this is the shortcut way, bro, to find out the curved surface area. At anyhow, you have to find out L. You cannot do any shortcut method. You have to use this formula. Without this formula, you cannot find. Is it clear? So by multiplying this, the result, what will be the result? Give me the answer, please. Give me the answer. I think 192.5 will be there. 192.5. How I came to find it? Because 9 unit place is 9 and unit place is 5. So 9 5 is 45. I'm getting the unit place is 5. Is it clear? So 195 and 21 into 8 is what? Something 168 approximately is coming. But there are 2 digit place also. So 192.5, and this is curved surface area. So centimeter square. So to calculate the curved surface area, first you have to find out the L, slant height. Without slant height, you cannot find out the curved surface area of cone. Yes, of course. So find the area of, I hope you are getting the point. Moving to question number 8. Yeah, very lengthy question number 8. Look at the question, my dear champions. Look at the question. Okay. Question number 8. I'm waiting to get the response from you guys, the answer of this question. Question number 8. Yes. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube. Listen, my dear champion, 1 centimeter cube means this is volume. So the mass of 1 centimeter cube of the whole structure is 8 gram. The mass of 1 centimeter cube of iron is 8 gram. This condition is given to you, and we have to find out the mass of complete structure. So there is iron pole. Iron pole consists of a cylinder of height this. Okay, so there are surmounted by another cylinder. So let's say this is the cylinder here, okay, and which is surmounted by another cylinder. There is one more cylinder here. This is one more cylinder which is surmounted on the top of the bigger one. Okay, and a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220. So the height of this cylinder is 220 centimeter and the base diameter is 24. So the radius will be 12. I'm writing the directly radius because I required radius only, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. Very good. So this is of 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Very good. This is 8 centimeter here. Okay, find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube. Cube indicates volume. So we have to find out the volume first. So the volume of the complete structure, the volume, I'm solving here. The volume of, what is this? Iron pole. The volume of iron pole is what? Volume of, I'm calling this cylinder first, this cylinder second. Volume of first cylinder, okay, plus volume of second cylinder. Okay, my dear champions, only formula. So volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square. This is first cylinder, so I'm taking 1. Pi r square h. For the first cylinder, I am taking 1 pi r1 square h1 plus volume of second cylinder. So pi r2 square h2. Pi r square h, because both radius and both the heights are different. The radius is 8 centimeter, here is 12. The height is 220, the height is 60. So we have to mark here r1 h1, r2 h2. Now can we take pi as common here? So I am taking pi as common. r1 square, r1 is 12. So 12 square will be 144. Into 144 into h1. h1 is what, my dear champion? h1 is what? 220 plus r2 square. What is r2? r2 is 8 and 8 square will be 64 into h2 is what? 60. Now solve this. Total volume. Now, so pi is nothing, pi is 3.14 into this 144 into 220. What will be the value? Solve this, my dear champion. What will be the value? Who is answering? 730 kilogram? No. 730 kilogram will not be the answer. No, my dear champion. While adding both, we will get this 739. Okay, no. So multiply this. So 144 into 220, 22 will be what? I think 3, 1, 2, 2, 0, 3, 2, 3, 8, 3, 1, 2, 680. Come on, check it. 31680. And this 6 4 are 24. Okay, carry 2. So this is 33840. Okay. Now add this 3.14 into 31680 plus 3840. What will be the value? 0, 8, 4, 12. Okay, carry 1, 5, 5 and this 35520. Perfect. And multiply 3.14 into 3552. So this will be 2 4 ja 8, 3 4 ja 9, 1. So please multiply this value. So I think 1115. So we can multiply directly. 3552314 428 420 22 20 22 22 14 2 5 5 3 326 15 16 10. So 8 4 3, okay, 8 4 3 5 5 5 15 5 2 3 5 11 11 and 1 0 is there, and after 2 1 2, so we are getting this value. Okay, so what is the result? So 35520 335, what you are getting? 115 115. Someone is writing 11532.8. Yes, correct. 115 115. What happened? Someone is calling. Just wait a second. 115.11532.8. What is this? Volume, centimeter cube. So this is the total volume of iron pillar. And now look, total mass will be what? This is the total volume, 11532.8 into the mass of 1 centimeter cube is 8 gram. So what will be the total mass? We have to multiply this by 8. Yes, by 8. Because 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 gram. So the total mass will be 11532.8 into 8. Into 8. Now multiply this. Hi sir, I'm new. Hi Shivam. Hi Shivam, how are you, man? Yeah, you are new, don't worry. 892. Subhash Raksha is writing 892.262.4. 892.262.4. Perfect, yeah. You guys are doing great job. Yes, 892.262. 892.262.4. 8 into, the unit digit is 8 into 8 is 64, so unit place will be 4. So 892, this is gram. So in kilogram, total mass in kilogram, you guys are writing the answer but you are not writing unit. Please make sure to write the unit also. The total mass in kilogram will be 892.264.4 divided by 1000. So 1 more 0 will be there. So 1 2 3 4. So we have to put here 0 before 4 digit. 1 2 3 4. So 892.264 what? Kilogram. This is the answer. IT system Sejas. Hi Sejal. Hi, how are you Sejal? Welcome. IT system सब calculator use कर रहे हैं. Guys, don't use calculator because directly and indirectly you have to write your board exam, and in board exam calculator is not allowed. So better to solve the mathematical calculation using your mind. Okay, that is in gram. Guys, you're writing the answer in gram. I don't know why. Right? Huh? Sejal is giving the answer in kilogram. Subhash, that is in gram. कैसे हो आप? Guys, you are talking with each other. Okay. Yes, Laksh. Hi Laksh, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Yes, 892.264 kilogram is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 9. Question number 9. Oh my God. Hi. Who is this? Yes, question number 9 for you all. I want to see which student will give me the answer of this question. I want to see the name of that student who will give me the answer of this question. Yes, Raksha, 892.2 kilogram. Yes, I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting for the response from you all. And it would be very nice of you if I'll get 5 to 6 students who give me the answer of this question correctly. I'll be impressed from you all. Yes, Subhash. Try this question. Sejal, Raksha, Laksh, Tara bhai. Oh, Raksha is writing 2772. Very quick. Wow. Wait a little while so that I can see the response from others also. Okay. Yes, Raksha, I got your comment, I got your answer. Don't write so many messages frequently. Width will be circumference of base. Wow. Volume 277. I want to check your strategy, how you guys are thinking in this question. Superb. Very good. Width will be the Oh, wow. Okay. So, look, what is the question here? My dear, a rectangular sheet of paper is there. 44 centimeter by 18. Always make sure when we write two numbers, this 44 centimeter into 8, something by something. So make sure this is basically length into breadth. The first number is basically length. So this is L and this is B. So there is a rectangular piece of paper, this, okay, and this is 44 length, and the breadth is what, my dear champion? This is 18 centimeter. And we are folding this way. We are folding and making we are folding this, we are rolling the paper along the length, and we are making the cylinder. Let's say I have rolled this way, and I have formed a cylinder here. This. So this 44 centimeter will be the circumference. Yes. The newly constructed cylinder, after rolling this paper, this circumference, let's say the radius is R. So 2 pi r is basically nothing. This is 44 itself. Yes. Look, this is a piece of paper and this is 44 centimeter and this is, 18 centimeter. And I'm rolling this. I'm rolling this and making a cylinder. Look, this is a cylinder formed here. So if this cylinder is here, means this complete length, which is 44 centimeter, has become circular base of the cylinder. And this will be the circumference, and the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi r will be equal to 44, and height will remain same, 18. This is 18. Is it clear? So 2 pi r equals to 44. So can we write 2 into pi will be 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r equals to 44. So 22 into 40. It's become very complex. Everything should be very systematic and cluttered. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius equals to 44. So 2 into 2, 44, r by 7 equals to 44. 44 is cancelled with 44. So radius 7 will go that side. So 7 into 1 will be 7 centimeter. So radius is 7 centimeter. Height is what? 18 centimeter, and we have to find out the volume of the cylinder so formed. So volume of cylinder is what? Volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Pi is what? 22 by 7. Radius is what? 7, and 7 square will be 49 into 8 h. Okay, so 1 7 is cancelled here. So 22 into 7 will be what? This 154 into 18. So can we multiply this? 144 into 18. This will be what? This 154 into 18. 18 is the height. Okay. Okay, so multiply here. So this will be 8 4 ja 32, 3 43, 3 and 8 11, 4 4, 5 is there and 1 is there. So 2 7 and 6 and 2. This 2672 centimeter cube. This is the answer, I think. What you guys are writing answer? 2772. Am I making some mistake there? 4 5 1 8 4 2 8 4 43. Oh, sorry. 12 is there. Yes, my dear champion, you all are right. 2772. 2772 centimeter cube. My apology. So, Rohit, Laksh, Subhash, Nehal. Hi Nehal, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. I think you guys are new. Sejal, see, it happens when we do such calculation, you know. So I'm not doing wrong, my dear. I apologize. By mistake, I written here 6 because this is 2 here, so 5 to 7. So okay. Okay. Hi, Maulik. Hi, how are you? Sir, Raksha is my sister. Very good. So now moving to next question. Question number 10. I hope, Sejal, you are clear. Sejal, your doubt is clear. Give me thumbs up if you are there. Question number 10. So, Rohit, yes, I have taken your name. Rohit, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Question number 10 for you all. Okay, now jokes apart, focus on this question. Okay. Thank you so much, Rohit, for giving me such appreciation and compliment for me. Okay, now look, yeah, this is conceptual question. Now try this question. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes, my dear all kids. I'm giving you 3 minutes for this question especially. Try this question and give me answer, correct answer. Everyone, so many students are watching here. 1:2:3. Subhash is given the answer, has given the answer 1:2:3. Laksh has also given the answer 1:2:3. Yeah, I'm waiting for others' response. Yes. Try this question. Raksha is giving answer 1:2:3, A option. Okay. Okay, let's do this question. Let's try this question. The question is, a cone, a hemisphere and a cylinder are of same base and of the same height. Okay. So, same base and same height. Very good. Then the ratio of their volumes. Very good. So cone is what? Cone is what? Cone is what? 1/3 pi r square h. This is the volume of cone. Ratio. Hemisphere is what? 2/3 pi r cube. Ratio, because we are finding the ratio. And again cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Is it clear? First cancel pi. This pi will be cancelled because all 3 formulas are containing pi, so pi is cancelled. Now look, 1/3, what is this? R square and h. Look here, are of the same base and of the same height. So all are having the radius and height, all are same. So r square, this h will replaced by r because both radius and write in comment section. Sir, please repeat again so that I can repeat for you, because you all are very important for me, everyone. So if you require the solution again, please let me know. Yes, I am waiting for response. Wait for solution. Yes, my dear champion, please let me know. You all are there. Should I repeat it again? 1/3 pi r square h, 2/3 pi r cube, pi r square h. Yes, superb. Yes, wait for others' response, Subhash. I'll move to next question also. Can we move to next question? Subhash is so curious. Wow, it's look good. No need for report. Very good. So moving to question number 11. A cylindrical vessel. Now read this question and try the question. This question. Solve this question, my dear champion. Try this question, my dear champions. Question number 11 for you all. Rakshan, Narayan, hi Narayan, welcome. I was waiting for you, Narayan. Thank you so much for this compliment, Naran. Stay blazed, stay sparkling. Okay, look at the question. A cylindrical vessel 16 centimeter high and 9 centimeter as the radius of the base is filled with sand. Okay. This vessel is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 12 centimeter, what will be the radius? Okay, don't worry. So my dear champion, there is a cylindrical vessel. Okay, and this cylindrical vessel is filled with sand. This is sand basically. This complete cylindrical vessel is filled with sand, and the height of cylindrical vessel is what? 16 centimeter, my dear champion, and the radius is 9 centimeter. Okay, this cylindrical vessel which is filled with sand is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. Conical heap in the form of cone. So the sand is emptied here and this cone is formed. Conical heap is formed with the help of that sand which is emptied from the cylinder. This is also sand here. The radius, the height of the conical heap is 12 centimeter. So the height is given to you, my dear. Is it clear? And we have to find out the radius of the base. Radius is unknown. My dear, to make this conical heap, the amount of sand is used from this cylinder will be equal. So the volume of the sand which is emptied from the cylinder to make this conical heap will be same. So we have to equate the volume. Nothing is here. A cylindrical vessel of 6. A vessel is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is this, so we have to find out the radius. Nothing to worry, no to worry. The volume will remain same. The amount of sand which is emptied from the cylindrical, this vessel, the amount of that sand will be equal to the volume of the sand which is filled in this cylinder. So basically we have to equate the volume. Volume of conical heap. Conical heap is equal to volume of cylindrical vessel. Yes, simple. So the volume of this conical heap is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h, and the volume of cylindrical vessel is what? Pi r square h. So for cone I am using here 1, and for cylinder I am using 2, because both are different. Okay, so the pi is cancelled with this pi. Is it clear? So 1 by 3, we have to find out this r1 square into h1. h1 is what? 12 is equal to r2 is what? The radius of cylinder is 9 square. So 9 square into h2 is what? 16. Is it clear? Now solve. 3 will cancel this 12, 3 4 ja. So r1 square will be 9 square, which is 81 into 16, and this 4 will go that side, and 4 will cancel this 16. So we are getting here r1 square is equal to 81 into 4. 81 into 4. Okay, so 81 into 4 will be what? So r1 is equal to under root 81 into 4. So 81 is 9, root of 81 is 9, and root of 4 is 2. So r1 is equal to 18 centimeter. So the radius of cone is 18 centimeter. Who answered 18 centimeter? Yes. Suraj Konba, hi Suraj, welcome. Suraj is answered 18, Laksh answered 18, Raksha answered 18, Malik is also answered 18, Subhash is writing 9, oh, 9 into 2, that is equivalent to 18. Very good. Okay, superb. Yes, so the radius of the base is 18 centimeter, my dear champions. Very good. You guys are awesome. Very good to see you guys, because you all are responding well. Superb. Now moving to next question. Is it clear, my dear champion? You guys are enjoying? Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up if you guys are there and you guys are enjoying this session. Moving to question number 12, and this question is from CBSE 2024 PYQ, and very recent PYQ of the year 2024. Okay, important question. Laksh, Subhash, thank you Subhash. Yeah, Okay, Laksh, I was the first. Very good, Laksh. Keep this momentum on forever. Okay. Sejal, hi Sejal, give me thumbs up, everyone. Yeah, Sejal has given me thumbs up. Has given me the thumbs up, yeah. Give me thumbs up. You guys are enjoying? You all are there? My Golu Molu kids, my 2026 class 10th boards warrior. I'm waiting for your response, my dear champions. You guys are there? Give me thumbs up. Laksh is writing the outer radius of the, I think what you're writing is so complex, Laksh. I'm not getting that. Okay. So look, the difference between the outer and inner radii of the hollow right circular cylinder. So there is a right hollow cylinder. So let me draw the hollow cylinder figure first. This is called hollow cylinder. Okay, my dear champion, this is the hollow cylinder. You know, cylindrical pipe we use in, you know, plumbing work at our home. So Raksha is answered 2.5. Okay, Sejal. Wait, Raksha. Okay, so this is all about. Now look, the radii between the outer and inner radii. So let's say the outer radii, this is the outer radii. From this is the common center for both the circle. This radii take is capital R, and the inner radii, I'm using red color so that you all can visualize this inner radius. Let's say this is small r. The capital R, the outer radius from the outer boundary, and the inner radius is small r. Now, what is the first statement? Look at the first statement, my dear. Look at the first statement. The difference between the outer radii means capital R minus R and inner radii of the circle is 40 of length 14 centimeter. The length is 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter, and the difference is 1 centimeter. So this is 1 here. I am calling this as 1. First equation. If the volume of the metal used in making the cylinder is 176 centimeter cube, basically centimeter cube, find the outer and inner radii of the cylinder. Wow. So what will be the volume of this complete structure? Okay, so volume of this complete structure, volume of complete structure will be equal to volume of outer cylinder. Outer cylinder means this one. This is the outer cylinder, my dear champion. This is the outer cylinder. Okay, this is the outer cylinder minus, and this is the inner cylinder. Let me use yellow color. This is the inner cylinder, and the radius of inner cylinder is what? Small r. Okay, and this is the capital R. So volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Okay, so volume of outer cylinder is what? Pi r square h. H is same. Both the cylinders are having same height. Minus pi r square, small r, the radius of inner cylinder, into h is again same. Is it clear? And this volume is given as 176. You can put here 176. Now can we take pi h common? So we are getting here r square minus r square. And you know guys, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So we can write here pi h r plus r into r minus r. Clear? Now look, 176 here, 176 here. So 176 equals to 22 by 7 into h is what? 14, and this r minus r, this r minus r is already equal to 1 from first. This r minus r is equal to 1, so we can replace that. So this is 1 here. Okay, so this is cancelled here, this. Okay, and look, r plus r is there, r plus r. So r plus r is what? R plus r is equal to this 14, this 22 into 4. So 176 divided by 20 into, this is 44. So 44 is cancelled with 4 times. So R plus R is 4. This is equation number 1. 2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Can we add both the equations? So adding equation number 1, adding first and second. So R minus R is 1, R plus R is 4. So minus R plus R cancelled, R plus R is 2 capital R, and 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. So capital R is equal to 5 by 2, which is 2.5 centimeter. The radius of outer cylinder is 2.5 centimeter. Now you can use this value to find the small r. So this small r will be what? I'm shifting this small r, so 1 will come this side. So capital R minus 1, capital R minus 1. So capital R is what? 2.5 minus 1. So small r will be 1.5 centimeter. So one is of 2.5 centimeter, other is of 1.5 centimeter. Yes, Subhash, outer radius of cylinder is 2.5. Very good. Will be equal to the volume of metal to be used, 2.5 centimeter pi h. R plus Subhash. We get two linear equations that are to be solved algebraically. Yes, of course. So I have used here elimination method to eliminate the small r. So we got capital R, and by putting this capital R either in this equation or in this equation, you can get the small r. This is all about the solution. Yes. Are you there, guys? My lovely Golu Molu champions, class 10th champions. Give me thumbs up. Show me your presence, show me your involvement, my dear, if you are there, because your interaction, your involvement encourages me, and your involvement keeps me boosted, energetic, guys. So lovely of you, everyone. Yeah, give me thumbs up. Subhash, thank you, Subhash. Sejal, thank you. Subhash, yo. Okay, is it clear, my dear champion? So this is 2.5 centimeter, this is 1.5 centimeter. Moving to, and this is PYQ, my dear, and very recent question. This question is from your previous year CBSE question paper. What type of question CBSE is asking? Will you not be able to do this question, my dear, if this question exactly comes in pre-board exam 2026? Yes, you guys all can do this question, but the condition is that you have to come in my live sessions to get the clarity in mathematics. Moving to question number 13. Yes. My name is Dipanshi. Okay, your name is Dipanshi. So for last 1 hour, I was taking your name as Subhash. Thank you so much for confirmation, Dipanshi. Okay, question number 13. Wow, interesting question. This question is in objective category, in MCQ category, but yeah, this question is too good. Yeah, do this question, my dear champions, my all class 10th Golu Molu kids. Try this question. Subhash is giving, how quickly you guys are solving. How is it possible? Very good. Okay. Hi. Who is saying hi? Hi, Bharti. Bharti Scheller. How are you, Bharti? All good? I have solved it in simple question paper. Yeah. See, I picked up, I've already told you guys, whatever the question I'm picking in my live session are quality questions. You may get these questions in your upcoming board exam or in your pre-board exam or in any competitive exam, because these questions are very important and conceptual, logical, and very quality questions, guys. So that is why I'm suggesting you to come in my live session every day, whenever my live schedules. There is formula for this. I'm waiting for others' response. So many students are watching, but no one is giving me the answer. C option is writing 96. Only 2. Yes, Subhas is writing the formula also. Okay. So look, my dear champion, let me solve this question. The sum of the length, breadth, and height of a cuboid is 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. We have just have this statement, the sum of the length, breadth, and height of the cuboid. So L plus B plus H is equal to 6 root 3. Perfect. This is equation number 1. What other information is given? The length of its diagonal is 2 root 3. Okay. Diagonal is also given here, 2 root 3 centimeter. Second, two informations are given. The total surface area of cuboid will be what? So we have to find out the total surface area. So you know guys, total surface area of cuboid is what? There is a formula. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula. So we have to find out the value of this. By doing any operation, we have to reach this format. We have to find out, we need to find the value of this whole formula. So there is a shortcut method. Squaring equation number 1, look, if I squaring equation 1, look at the equation 1. If I square equation 1, so L plus B plus H whole square will be equal to what? 6 root 3 whole square, because we are squaring both sides. Squaring equation 1, we can make the statement complete, both sides. So A plus B plus C whole square is what? A square L square plus B square plus H square plus 2AB, 2LB plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, which is 2HL, is equal to 6 square is 36 and root 3 square will be 3. So we can write here 36 into 3. Now look my dear, this is L square plus B square, L square plus B square plus H square, and from all these three, can we take 2s common? So we can take 2s common. So this is LB plus BH plus HL. Wow, it look like as this. This family is look like at this, and we can multiply 36 into 3, which is equal to 18,108. And this is diagonal. Diagonal is what? Diagonal is L square plus B square plus H square under root. This is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. So to find the value of this, we have to square both sides, because we want to remove the root. Because here is L square plus B square. So squaring both sides, L square plus B square plus H square will be squaring this also. So 2 square 4 and 3 square root 3 square will be 3. So L square plus B square plus H square is equal to what? 12. So we can replace this by 12 here. So 12 plus, and this is what? This is here, total surface area. So total surface area is equal to 108. We can change here, we can subtract 108, shift this to that side. So TSA is equal to what? 96 centimeter square. Option number C. Option number C. Govind, hi Govind. I hope you get the point. You all got the point. Sejal C is 96. Subhas is writing answer. Hi everyone. Govind. Option number C. Yes, option number C. You did well, my dear champion. Your answer is absolutely correct, everyone. Option C is correct. Superb. Great to see your improvement, everyone. It indicates that you guys are well prepared for your board exam. But still, you know, circle is left. I'll be giving you live session of circle also. Circles. Area related to circle and normal circle, both. So, my target is to make you completely prepared for your board exam, to give you clarity in mathematics. Whatever the kind of question will be there in your board exam, you will be able to tackle the question. You will be able to encounter the question. Okay, so this is my target. So you have to be very serious for that. Moving to question number 14. Okay, CBSE 2012. Try this question, my dear champions. Yes sir, gulab jamun wala question karao. That is so easy, my dear. Gulab jamun is made up of 2 hemispherical ends and cylindrical. That was the question. This is the gulab jamun. 2 hemispherical and 1, 2, and this is cylindrical. So sugar syrup is filled in this complete structure. So volume of cylinder plus volume of 2 hemisphere. That is all about gulab jamun wala question. How sweet of you, Subhash. Okay, I'll do. Don't worry. I'll do for you. Okay. So now try this question. If the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is halved, keeping the height same, then the ratio of the volume of the cylinder thus obtained to the original cylinder. Okay, so look, there is a cylinder, my dear, there is a cylinder. Let's say this is the original cylinder of radius r and of height h. Is it clear? Now read the statement. If the radius of the base of the circular cylinder is halved, so this is the new cylinder and radius has become half, but keeping the height same, height is same, keeping the height same. So this is the original. Clear? Now this sphere is cutted into two hemispherical pieces. Let's say I am cutting this sphere here into two hemispherical pieces, this way, two hemispherical pieces. One hemisphere is here. Let's say this is the first hemisphere, okay, and this is the second hemisphere, and the radius will remain same, r and r. What is the total surface area of hemisphere? You know, 3 pi r square, and here 3 pi r square. Now read the question. We have to find out the ratio of the surface area of a sphere. So the ratio of surface area of sphere, 4 pi square, to that of two hemispheres taken together. So the total surface area of one hemisphere is 3 pi square. The total surface area of second hemisphere is 3 pi square. So 3 plus 3. Combining these two. So 3 plus 3 will be 6 pi r square. So pi square cancelled. 2 to ja 4, 3 to ja 6. So 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 ratio 3. So 2 ratio 3 is correct answer. Option number 3. Sir, answer option C. ओरिजिनल को 2r मैम लेते हैं बस. Okay, D Subhash, 2 ratio 3. Subhash is correct here again. Yes, very good. Yes, option number. I hope you got the point. So what is the condition? There is a spherical ball and that sphere is cutted into two equal hemispheres. One is this and the first hemisphere and second hemisphere. And you know guys, the total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Total surface area of this hemisphere is 3 pi square. And if we combine these two, what will be total surface area? 6 pi r square. And here is the statement. Two hemispheres taken together. Okay. So the ratio of the sphere, which is equal to 4 pi r square, to the total surface area of two hemispheres taken together, 6 pi r square. So pi r square cancelled. 4 by 6 is equivalent to 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 means 2 ratio 3. There was a lag for I don't know what happened. Okay, I hope you got the concept. Is it clear, my dear champion Golu Molu class 10th 2026 warrior? So this is all about your session, live session, today's class. So we did very quality questions in today's session. I hope you guys will be there in next live session also. And the student who is new, who is not subscribed the channel yet, go and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button of Deeksha Vedantu channel. So that you all can get advantage of this channel, because we all the faculty members are dedicatedly working for you all to prepare you, to make you prepare for your board exam 2026. So thank you so much for being in the session. Great to meet you everyone. Take care of yourself and stay blessed. See you all in the next section. Bye bye.